in emergent cases, emergencies and all, then leave will be granted.
But enforcement, how does enforcement happen in this case? Because a lot of the staff.
See, you have to wield the stick also, you have to be polite as well. So it has to be balanced. So we will ensure enforcement as well as being polite, requesting them. If there are some people who are argumentative, then we will enforce. And instructions have been issued also that they should be polite and yet firm. And they were briefed also today. Rehearsal also was done.
आणि सर कसिनोकडे जी गर्दी जातात ती तुम्ही कशी हँडल करतले कित्याक त्याला पार्किंग सध्या लोक करीत असतात सो
थिंगा बुकिंग करतले एन्फोर्समेंट तो हातांत उलयतालो.
And we have issued them a
notice issue केल्ली आसा.
Not to allow any parking, and if at all there is, they should go to the multi-level entry parking, and from there they should operate.
Because they hardly use that multi-level. At least let the income come there.
So this,
you have issued notices to the.
We have sent the letter from the traffic cell, PI traffic cell Panjim, have issued it. We have personally gone and briefed them. So for this function, for this IFI International Festival, there should not be any traffic blockade during that time.
Okay. So आमचं कामकाज रोड आमच्या GSIDC रोड बंद करतात काय?
Yeah, I have given you a press note. Just look at that. That is all answered there in that.